The arm begins in a stowed configuration as it would be on the rover. The operator presses a button that runs a pre-scripted motion that automatically unstows the arm. Once it is unstowed, the operator takes over control using the control arm. The arm has a total of 6 degrees of freedom: base rotation, shoulder actuation, elbow actuation, wrist rotation, and end effector opening and closing. The operator will now attempt to pick up a rock. Once the rock has been picked up, the operator again presses a button that runs a pre-scripted rock depositing motion. Once the arm is fixed onto the rover, there will be a bin for the rock to fall into. The arm then goes into a semi-stowed position to constrain the arm while the rover is in motion. When it is in a semi-stowed state, the operator has no control over the position. The arm is then unsemi-stowed, and the operator again has control and can pick up rocks. The arm responds very quickly to inputs from the control arm. Once done with the mission, the arm is again stowed. The base rotation uses a DC gear motor with encoder, and the shoulder and elbow joints use linear actuators with feedback potentiometers. For the elbow joint, a 4-bar linkage allows full 180-degree rotation. For the final 3 joints, dynamixel servos were used. Cool. On the control arm, springs are used to counteract the weight of the arm in order to reduce operator fatigue. The control arm has the same degrees of freedom as the rover arm, with the motion being limited to prevent damage to the rover. At the end of the control arm, there is a grip with a trigger that is used to open and close the end effector of the arm. For activating the pre-scripted motion, there are 3 buttons on the electronics enclosure of the control arm. For controlling the arm remotely, 2 cameras are utilized, one mounted near the end of the arm and one mounted to the side of the base. Although in this demonstration it is being operated from the same room, it is teleoperable through the internet from anywhere in the world. In our testing, this allowed for rock collection times of under 30 seconds. To demonstrate the strength capability of the arm, here it is shown lifting a 3-pound weight.